Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be comparing different material choices for keycaps, but more specifically, we're going to take a look at Cerakey's ceramic keycaps and see what makes them different from your typical plastic ones. They claim to provide a thocky typing sound as well as being a durable and wear-resistant material. Full disclosure, Cerakey did send me their keycaps for this video, but as always, all opinions will be my own. All relevant links will be in the description, and remember to subscribe to help my channel grow. Thank you so much, and let's start this comparison with a little overview of Cerakey's keycaps. Upon first inspection, you can definitely tell they're the real deal. They look, feel, and sound just like dinner plates and tea sets. And now you're probably asking yourself, what would I want my keycaps to be made out of that? Well, according to Cerakey, their keycaps feature industrial-grade alumina ceramic. Alumina ceramic is an advanced ceramic material favored among manufacturers for its outstanding attributes. Its hardness ranks second after diamond, and wear resistance far exceeds steel and stainless steel. Each keycap offers ultra-smooth and thocky typing with a range of glaze color and legend options. Furthermore, and more obviously, if you want to achieve a unique glossy look, these keycaps certainly fulfill that desire. Additionally, they come in a wide variety of different colorways. Now that we learned a little about these ceramic keycaps, let's compare them to plastic. When it comes to plastic, there are two main types used for keycaps, PBT and ABS. ABS is the cheaper and more widespread option. They're relatively thin sounding and are known to have durability issues. Namely, they are prone to shining over time and wearing away. For this video, I'll be using GMK Redacted as my comparison set. Please note that GMK keycaps have 20% thicker walls than standard, which will slightly improve acoustics. Also, GMK keycaps have a textured finish, whereas normally ABS is smooth. PBT keycaps solve a lot of the shortcomings of ABS. Firstly, they're more durable and are less likely to shine. They tend to have a textured finish, giving them a premium feel. And they're denser than traditional ABS, giving them a deeper and thockier sound profile. The set I'm showing off here is PBT Fans Black on White. Comparing the weight of the keys is a good way of estimating their density. Higher density leads to thockier acoustics, so we can estimate how these keycaps will perform before the sound test. Expectedly, ABS was the lightest at 25 grams, PBT the middle at 99 grams, and ceramic a whole 270 grams. That's 3.6 times as much as ABS. And you might be curious to know if this added weight has an effect on switch performance. Yes, your switches will feel noticeably lighter, but it was less than I expected. Of course, this is dependent on the switches you're using. The heavier your spring weight, the less of an effect you'll feel. Now for the sound test. I tested all the keycaps on my Mojo 68 with RamaWorks duct switches. I have individual videos for each if you're interested in checking those out. The order of the sound test will be ceramic, PBT, then ABS. See if you can notice the thockiness reducing each time. Understandably, everyone is going to have their own specific preferences when it comes to keycaps. You might care more about durability, acoustics, or aesthetics. Each material offers something different the others don't have, and there are always exceptions to every rule. I've personally used PBT as my #1 choice in the past, and I'm excited to keep using ceramic keycaps in the future. If you enjoyed this video, remember to subscribe to help support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.